So now next step is I need to log in into website. To log in into any WordPress website, here you can see /wp mean WordPress -admin. Press enter. After that, here I need to add login details. Okay guys, now here you can see I'm logged in into the WordPress dashboard. So now let me exit and go to WordPress dashboard. So there are some plugins that I need to deactivate. Alright, here you can see these are by default plugins. So let me deactivate these. Alright, and now I need to install GeneratePress theme. Here you can see these are installed themes. Click add new button, and after that here search for GeneratePress. Then you can install this theme and activate. So the theme comes with premium websites that are pre-built. If you want to use that, just you can get GeneratePress plugin. Here you can search for and you can get the plugin from the official website generatepress.com. From here you can check the pricing. So guys, here you can see this is the price. And after that, now let me go in the plugin sections and install a new plugin. So actually that is premium plugin. I need to select a file from my laptop. So now let me select plugin folder, and after that you will get plugin file. Here you can see like this one, GP Premium. So let me select and install it. Make sure that plugin file is in zip format, otherwise you can get error. And after that, now activate the plugin.